All right, today we are hunting for some deals in the Abbotsford condo market. We are starting off with the first one on the list here, Hudson's Loft. We've got some loft condos here, this building, that building. I will throw the specifics of the first unit we're seeing up on the screen here. What I really like about this, okay, you're just off Gladwin. Seven Oaks Mall is like 3 minutes up the road there. This is Afterthoughts Cafe, so you can literally walk out of your unit. Boom, nice cafe here. I meet a lot of my clients here. You've got Cora, breakfast and lunch. And at the end there, you've got a Pharmasave and Trading Post Brewery. So you have a lot of amenities here to walk to. A minute or two up the road on the west side of Gladwin, you've got Superstore. So you've got a mall, the grocery store, cafes, breweries, like literally everything is right here in this part of town. This building was built in 2015. Let's go inside and check her out. All right, we going 306. Here we are. All right, so right off the bat, we've got what looks to be a den, I'm assuming. Got a powder room right here. And then a linear style kitchen. Well, not exactly linear. One thing that's very nice about this unit, because it is a loft style, you get some very high ceilings here in the main living area. So we are north facing, back of the complex here. So on a hot day, this unit will still be pretty cool. Get my shoes off. We'll go upstairs, check out the loft. So because it's a loft, this right here is your bedroom. So it's opened up to, like, you may not want to buy this if you're, say, a couple and you guys don't wake up at the same time, because one of you is going to be downstairs, you know, watching TV or making breakfast or whatever, while the other one is trying to sleep, right? But if you are single or you guys wake up at the same time, I think the loft condos are sick. I love them. What do we got up here? Okay, so we got your laundry. And you got another bathroom up here. So basically your ensuite. So it's a 1-bed and den, 2-bath. And then what is this door? Well, I'll tell you. So this door actually goes out. This is your closet here. This door will actually go out into the hallway, the floor above yours. And the reason why this exists is that it's a fire escape. In case there's a fire downstairs or whatever, you have the door downstairs and the door upstairs to get out, right? At least that's my best guess. It's a fire safety thing. So that's the first one. Let me know what you guys think about the loft condo in the comments. These were, you know, sold at far higher prices 18 months ago, obviously. Today, I believe this one has a 3 in front of it, if I'm not mistaken. What's this door? Let me open this up. More storage. Actually, like a decent amount of storage in this unit. And in the den one last time. Cool. I'll see you guys at the next one. All right, now we are back in historic downtown. Man, there was so many units I wanted to show you guys today, but none of the realtors replied. There was a $299,000 one bed. There was a $309,000 one bed. There was a $415,000 two bed, a $469,000 two bed. There is a lot of good and affordable product on the market right now in Abbotsford. Even like there's one for sale right now in one of my favorite buildings in all of Abbotsford. Upper Montrose right there. 2-bed, 2-bath. It's like 800 something square feet for, I think it's $469. Has AC, everything else. So I would have loved to show you guys that one, but unfortunately could not get in there. So we're gonna take it over to Montview, Building B. We've got a top floor corner unit, 2-bedroom. Really good ceiling height, really good views, although it is so smoky here because of the fires. This video is probably not gonna do it justice, unfortunately, but I'm gonna show you guys nonetheless. That's a bit better. So right off the bat, resi up top, commercial on bottom. You can see there's a cafe going right here, which is nice. You can come downstairs from your unit, boom, cafe right there. I've done a ton of videos on this, but that's historic downtown right there. So there's restaurants, cafes, breweries. There's a pub right at the end of the street. There's another brewery like a block over that way. Yesterday I was here because they had the car show literally right in the middle of historic downtown. So there's all these old muscle cars and stuff like that. Aston Martins, I think there was a Ferrari there. I had my dog with me, so we walked around, checked out all the cars. This is a great area. One of my favorite areas in Abbotsford. If not my favorite for somebody looking to buy a condo. Just because of the amount of walkable amenities. So I'm gonna grab the keys. I'll take you guys inside. The unit we're looking at, I believe, is literally the top one right at the corner there. So let's go inside. So the number one thing I hear these days is I do not care for amenities. And the reason why people don't care for amenities is because you have to pay for the amenities. So one benefit to this building that I think a lot of people would find a benefit is there's literally no amenities. There's nothing. This is it. It's like there's storage and a mailroom and this lobby right here, right? That's it. And because of that, the strata fee here is extremely low. I just sold a one bed in here. The strata fee was under $200. It's like 198 bucks a month, I think. And the unit itself was almost 600 square feet. So very rare you're gonna see a strata fee in a livable size unit starting with a 2 these days, right? So I think a lot of people would like that specifically about this building. All right, unit 503. Let's get inside here and check her out. So selling point for this unit obviously is these, I don't even know what that is. It looks to be like 20 feet high, 20-foot ceilings. Extremely rare. Corner unit, it's very bright. You have a window over the sink. Very rare in condos these days. Because usually the sink is against an interior wall, not an exterior wall. Your office or second bedroom, listen to my voice echo in here if you can hear that with how high the ceilings are in here. And again, shit day because, you know, it's so smoky because of all the fires, but you can kind of see how nice the views would be if it didn't look like this today. Mountain views. And then you can see the top of Eagle Mountain right there on this side. Now, keep in mind, guys, due to the market we're in, the advertised price is usually not the selling price. Usually you can negotiate. Not that I'm saying this one would sell below its advertised price, but I would reckon you try. Look at this. Interesting that you have all this, a whole bunch of storage up there. You know what you could do? You could almost have one of those ladders here that goes up, and then you could have your office like up there, and you could put a railing here, and you could literally have your office up there on whatever this is, which would be super cool, actually. Probably even put a bed up there too if you wanted to. Really good sized closet. If it were me, I would spend the money and get the closet organizers to just give yourself way more space. And here's your ensuite bathroom. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. I would totally turn that in to like maybe where I shoot my YouTubes or something like that up there. It'd be a cool selling feature for this unit. Got your hallway bathroom here. Coat closet. Got some additional space in the foyer for your shoes and stuff like that here. Let's get on the balcony. Check that out. So super unique unit, as you guys can see. I think this one is just touching 800 square feet. It's like a hair below 800 square feet, if I'm not mistaken. But I mean, I threw the specs up on the screen. You've got, from all of this stuff here, you've got some additional storage I guess you could use. I thought this was a very unique unit. You know, I know half the comments, I can't believe these are the prices these days. But I also think there's a lot of people out there that would have thought this unit is pretty unique. So I wanted to put it in the video. So there was a lot of really good units that I would have loved to show you guys today. That, you know, decent product under 300,000, decent 2-bedroom condos around 450 and under, around 400,000 that I would have loved to get into and show you guys. Unfortunately, I just couldn't get a hold of any of the realtors that were holding the listings. So that's basically it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the 2 condos. Usually like to do at least 3 or 4. If you did, like and subscribe. If you want to chat with me about buying or selling in the Valley, link down in the description. Otherwise, I'm that Agent Kelly. I'm making moves to move you. Peace.